After watching this video you will be able to understand what is a fish breeding tube. If you happen to be a large cichlid keeper, then you must know that they often breed in the fish aquarium, and through the use of the fish breeding tube, you may be able to breed them and raise a pair of successfully. Before having more information about what is a fish breeding tube, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Acquire adults and mate them. You have to purposely purchase fish of the opposite sex and keep them in one aquarium. For instance, Oscar fish can reach sexual maturity at around 14 months old when they're about 6 to 10 inches long. A lot of Oscars may refuse to spawn only until they are 2 years old. That's where the fish breeding tube came into the picture. The only way that you can mate these fish is through the breeding tube. Provide a healthy environment. Clean water. The spawning period isn't yet finished until the eggs are released. For a successful spawning, you must provide them adequate and healthy water conditions. You have to put some long-lasting materials inside the fish tank like rocks, PVC pipe, and clay flower pots for their place of hiding their spawns. The eggs would respond healthily if the water is clean and pristine because they are prone to fungal and bacterial infection. Feeding them well. Before and during the spawning, their health would be at the most critical, so to ripen the eggs of an Oscar fish, they must be supplied with good nutrients, especially with omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. Breeding pairs can be challenging, and one of the first-time breeders' failures is giving them an inadequate diet that can only fail. Pelleted fish food is most suggested, however, you have to watch out for their nutritional value. Give them the right water. Even though you've given them clean water and healthier meals, still you have to monitor the water temperature. Water changes have to become more mandatory. Change at least 25 to 50% of the water and set the temperature to 82 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. By doing this, it will require much aquarium heaters. As of the moment, toys have to be set on the aquarium side so the fish can provide a better place for spawning. What is a fish breeding tube? Conclusion. Taking care of the fish and breeding them is a very costly thing to do, especially that there are more things to consider than just having a regular fish. To be a good fish breeder is to be mindful and responsible for your duties. In the end, it's the result of having healthy, growing fry is the one that will matter. For more information about what is a fish breeding tube, visit our website yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.